Planning to study abroad in 2025? Well, what if I tell you that there is a high chance you won't get admission in top universities abroad? Yes, you heard me right. There is one major difference that your profile will have from those who will get an admission abroad. The iSchoolConnect touch. With this Midas touch, you can ensure that you will not only get admission in top universities abroad, but also get a fabulous scholarship for the same. How? Well, pay attention to whatever I have to say for the next few minutes to ensure your admission in the top universities abroad, and also in the end of the video, I'm going to share with you a secret tool which will make your study abroad experience less stressful. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process curated by our experts to prepare you for studying abroad in 2025. Step 1. Well, no prizes for guessing. It's doing a good amount of research. Choose your ultimate destination where you will live and study for the next 3 to 4 years. Well, in advance, start researching countries, universities, and programs that are well suited to your academic and career goals. Identify, cogitate, and shortlist at least 4 to 5 destinations where you would like to go for higher studies. It's always advisable to shortlist 3 to 5 countries as it gives a broad selection scope to students and also to avoid disappointments and moments of self-doubt later. As most foreign universities entertain tons of applications, shortlisting only 1 or 2 might hamper your chances of studying abroad. Take into account factors like campus culture, language, cost of living and education, and safety. Popular destinations include the US, UK, Australia, Canada, and Europe. Step 2. Well, this one is the most important. Check and then run a double check on eligibility and requirements once you finalize your destination and program. Foreign universities, especially the cream of the crop ones, have a comprehensive and vast checklist of eligibility criteria for your chosen program. Do read it comprehensively and do not miss a single document, as it could lead to your application being rejected. Check the qualification tests required for your study programs, which include GPA, language proficiency, and standardized test scores. Research visa requirements, application deadlines, and required documents. Step 3. No further ado, just apply to universities. After checking the eligibility criteria and documents required for admissions, submit applications to your list of selected universities, including transcripts, letters of recommendation, and SOPs. Also check for scholarships that you are eligible to apply. Step 4. Scholarship applicants, do not skip this. Explore and do thorough research on scholarships, grants, and financial aid options that you can avail and secure, especially academically bright students. Here's a tip. Do not only scroll college-sponsored scholarships. Also, research in regards to external funding sources like government scholarships or scholarships dished out by private organizations. It could be a great idea to make your study abroad dream a reality. Step 6. Obtain a visa. As different countries have different rules for visa authorizations, you must check essential documents and eligibility criteria for visa procurement. A bonus tip. Please check popular questions asked during visa interviews and prepare assiduously. Appear confident and answer questions eloquently. Step 7. Prepare to catch a flight. After you're done with all this, book flights, arrange accommodation, and purchase health insurance. Attend pre-departure orientations and connect with fellow students. Step 8. Leave no room for mistakes and double-check documents. Double-check your essential documents, including your passport, visa, and health insurance. If you're still here, waiting for the secret I mentioned at the beginning of the video, here it is. There's a tool that can do all of this for you. All you need to do is register from the comfort of your home, sipping tea, and you can secure admission to your dream university. Isn't that an awesome secret? The link is in the description. So don't wait. And yes, counseling is free. Feel free to call anytime. Also, like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channel, or I might be back with more Twilight references.